Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn toggle key on or off in MS Word in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn toggle key on or off in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. First click on Start, click on Settings. After click on Ease of Access, and left panel here option Keyboard, and here option Play a sound whenever you press caps lock, nav look or scroll look. So if you want to turn on, so select on position, and if you want to turn off, so select to off position. That's it. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn toggle keys on or off in MS Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.